how, as say mid-career professionals, we can upskill by using the right tools of AI and not treat AI as a threat.
That's a good question. I think that AI is both a boon as well as a bane. मैं आपको बताता हूँ क्यों. For example, if you are using AI in order to reduce your time on mundane activities, then that is going to be a boon. For instance, let's say मैं मेरे जर्नी में AI कैसे यूज़ करता हूँ. There are email automations that we have done. अगर मैं हर रोज़ 10 emails भेजता था गेस्ट्स को with the same format, आज मैं वही email AI agents के थ्रू automate करके मैं वो email automatically autopilot पे भेज सकता हूँ. मेरा उस पर टाइम नहीं जाएगा. I don't have to click on compose. I don't have to draft the message body. I don't have to click on send. Everything is automated. However, it can become a bane when we are using AI for ideating and for just generating ideas. कि okay, अगर मुझे ये टॉपिक पे वीडियो बनाना है तो थोड़े आइडियाज़ दो. मुझे अगर ये ब्रांड के लिए मार्केटिंग कैंपेन करना है थोड़ा आइडियाज़ दो. मुझे अगर लेट्स से ये क्लाइंट को क्लोज करना है फॉर माई नेक्स्ट ऑडिट तो मुझे आइडियाज़ दो कि कैसे मैं पिच कर सकता हूँ. इफ़ वी आर यूजिंग AI फॉर लाइक लेट्स से आइडिया जनरेशन एंड देन वी आर नॉट एबल टू जनरेट आइडियाज़ फ्रॉम आवर ओन माइंड, देन दैट इज़ अ बेन बिकॉज वी आर देन बीइंग डिपेंडेंट ऑन AI. देन अपना ह्यूमन बींग्स का कोई वैल्यू नहीं होगा. So I think if you want to really upskill yourself in the field of AI, and especially if you're a chartered accountant, I would definitely recommend that you should start with something like a Perplexity Pro or Google Gemini or let's say ChatGPT, which are like the 3 basic AI tools that everyone should know. And they should definitely use it in their like day-to-day life or day-to-day journeys as well. So go on GPT, go on Perplexity, just try to see कि okay क्या नए updates आ रहे हैं. Go on Claude if you want to let's say draft some report, if you want to write some new article, if you want to write a LinkedIn post for your own profile, go on Claude, see their latest models and just type it down कि okay क्या क्या चीज़ें इसको मैं better कर सकता हूँ या तो क्या क्या अच्छे से इसको मैं way में लिख सकता हूँ. And then Claude will give you like an entire post etc.
Okay.
So I would suggest that just go on these AI tools. I would definitely recommend all of the people who are watching this to take subscriptions because that is very important. And एक बार आप $20 पर मंथ के 4-5 सब्सक्रिप्शन ले लोगे तो that will help you only to understand कि ये टूल लेना चाहिए कि नहीं लेना चाहिए. You will be shocked to know that I spend upwards of rupees 1 lakh per month on AI tools. एंड ये सारे AI टूल्स कौन से हैं? हिक्सफील्ड का हमारे पास सब्सक्रिप्शन है जो 10-15,000 रुपीज़ पर मंथ जाता है. ChatGPT का सब्सक्रिप्शन है जहाँ पर 3,000 पर मंथ जाता है. Perplexity Pro का है, Google Gemini का है, Claude का है. Then we are also using HeyGen which is for video generation, 11 Labs which is for voice cloning. And ऐसे 10-12 AI tools है जिस पे we spend rupees 1 lakh a month. And I feel that ये 1 lakh per month has saved a lot of my time. And secondly ये 1 lakh per month से मैं 5 lakh per month की जो employee cost थी वो भी save कर पाया हूँ. So if you use AI smartly, I think that is definitely going to help you in order to become better professionals. I disagree with the fact that AI will replace human beings in the future. I feel that people who know AI will replace people who don't know AI. So definitely have a knowledge of AI so that you are not replaceable and you are going to replace people who don't know AI. So don't fall in this category, fall in this category so that you are also out like upskilling yourself.